has been Bex. We're only waiting for the rider, John Alvin Buse, to climb back on top of horse is Spinning Ridge. Set. Racing Jazz is started. We have Lafuria Roja. Break quick, let us start. Cruises is running by the rail. Moving apart, Zaidi San Diego is Spinning Ridge. Comes next, then followed by Divine Eslotar Magato. Dark Beauty comes next, then comes Eurasian. Romantic Jewel, then followed by Lord of War. Next on line is Kismet, while Boss Jaden is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Cruises, is why we followed. If we can take the lead in the early part of the race, enjoying a 2 lengths lead. And in second is La Furia Roja, is Spinning Ridge, is racing in third, and in fourth Divine, then comes Islotar Magato, then followed by Lord of War. Next on line is a Dark Beauty, the San Diego Kismet Eurasian, then followed by Boss Jaden, while Romantic Jewel now racing in 13th. Inside the last 400, we have Cruises by about 2 lengths, and in second is Spinning Ridge. Then moving up 40 yards, and now is Divine, and they are now entering the home stretch. Jeffrey, Tagulaw, Zarate, and Cruises now says, come on, let's go. Now increasing its marker to about 6 lengths is Spinning Ridge. Divine is on the outside, and final the curtain closer. Cruises, then comes is Spinning Ridge. Divine, La Furia Roja, Islotar, then comes Lord of War and Kismet.